and then regions. This one is, we are a liquor distributor. Given the current political climate, should we be anticipating any importing changes for tequila, mezcal, or other alcoholic beverages coming from Mexico?
Oh, yes, that's an important question. Based on the last declaration internally from the Secretary of Economy, yes, going to affect. We're not going to send you more tequila to United States. I'm so sorry. Just kidding. No, in this case, so sorry, I apologize for that. No, in this case, of course not. I mean, we are friends. We have United States and Mexico. We are our closest friends. So it's not going to affect anything about, in my perspective, especially, on the liquor sector that we're sending to there. No, of course not. The political situation is going to be fixed, and it's going to be found a way to do business in the worst of the cases. That something is wrong. So no, for a Mexican side, no, it is not. As far as we know, we are monitoring closely all the NAFTA negotiations and many other political situations in Mexico, but of course not going to be affected anything in a bad way. On the liquor sector and the tequila, we have a very internal regulations that we need to comply before we export, and the companies need to register, need to be very detailed about what they're sending into the United States, just because United States need to be sure or ensure that that they are receiving the quality product from the rights companies, specifically talking about tequila, no? And but no, it is no major concern, even for that sector or for any other. We had a past experiences, from when we start the NAFTA agreement for some circumstances that could affect, that the investment, the foreign investment in Mexico. I remember that for a automotive sector at the time that we joined in the 1994, the automotive sector, and everyone was concerned about that. Well, as was a international agreement, and we need to follow that rules, what the Mexico country did, they established a deferred duties program in order to continue using some raw material for that sector. In other words, in the worst of the cases, if NAFTA going or whatever other political situation or whatever other things stress the commercial relationship, always it's found a way to not stop to do business. That is a fact. It's 18 years of experience on the customs brokerage and international commerce, and always it's the same. Don't be worried about that. It's nothing affect that international commerce.
Yeah, I think it's important to know that nothing has changed thus far. The last rounds of negotiations just ended up in Montreal a couple of weeks ago, with some good feedback and so forth. I was just at an event with the U.S. Chamber up in the Des Moines last Friday, speaking on NAFTA and so forth, and the agreement, and the rhetoric was pretty good. We felt pretty confident that things are moving in the right direction as of right now. So I think.